guys, today we are filming off this 30 and this modulator, really close to each other. So I don't know why that guy's over there. He looks suspicious. Stuff. Alright.
He might be here to turn it on.
Yeah.
Or maybe he's just a fan. So there's two different sirens and they're placed really close together, which is rare. So we're here today to see if they're both gonna go off or if they're just gonna do the new one and the old one doesn't work anymore.
Alright, so
what do you think? You think they're both gonna go off?
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah, but something kind of weird on the modulator is that the antenna is not supposed to be like close to it. It's supposed to be down and stuff. So yeah. Imagine that guy just pulls up, turn on the sirens. Alright, so let's start getting filming. This is 2001 we just moved a little closer. But that guy's still suspicious. Stuff. So I know it looks bigger. So my dad can't plug his ears. He might die.
Yeah, we forgot our ear protection today, didn't we?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go deaf.
Yeah.
So once again, to show you how close the two sirens are,
Like
there's the one, and then just right there is another one. So what do you guys think? Do you think they're both gonna go off?
Dad, it could the modulator could go da, 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 da.
What just happened?
So it went off. I told my dad that when I made that second video, he was supposed to stop it when it was doing and then I stopped it first. That's why you guys couldn't see me in the last video. I stopped it when it was stopped doing and stuff. So I'm kind of mad at my dad still, but
Okay, so what about overall? What happened? Recap, what did we do?
so I did not hear the modulator. My dad did hear it, but you guys probably can't hear it in the video. Couldn't hear that much. So we couldn't just do it that much stuff. So after that, we're gonna go to GNC, try to find some Minimum Prime and stuff. But I'm still happy that it went off. It's my second time I heard one. Wait, no, it's my third time. Well, we didn't put it on YouTube. My dad was like stuff.
So this one, we got good video of it.